Hi there! Today we make air fryer salt and pepper chicken wings. As always, I'm going to be using my Ninja Foodi air fryer for this recipe, but you can use any air fryer that you own. So first, pat dry the chicken wings. This helps draw out excess moisture, enabling the chicken wings to absorb the seasoning as much as possible, and also helps keep the chicken wings crispy. You'll require cornstarch. I'm using 2 tablespoons here. This is optional. You can also use baking powder instead of cornstarch. We'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black or white pepper. You then just want to combine all these ingredients in a bowl. Make sure the chicken pieces are properly coated. And while the cornstarch is an optional ingredient, I highly recommend that you do not skip on it, as it also helps draw out the moisture from the chicken wings and helps to keep them crispy. I like to marinate my chicken wings for 15 to 30 minutes or even overnight for best results, as this allows the seasoning to just penetrate through the chicken. You can skip this if you like, but I totally recommend that you do not skip the marination. Preheat your air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange the chicken wings in a single layer inside your air fryer basket without stacking them on top of each other for a more even cooking. You then want to air fry them at the same temperature, that is 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, making sure to flip them mid-cooking. Remove them from the air fryer once cooked. Next, you're just going to make the topping for the chicken wings, and here you want to combine half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black or white pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spices. But the Chinese 5 spice is optional, so feel free to leave it out if you don't like it or if you don't have it. Give it a good mix, and we are just going to top the chicken wings with this spice mix, as well as some sliced spring onion and sliced chilies. You can remove the seeds if you prefer less heat, or just leave them if you like your chicken wings spicy. We're also going to be using about 2 sprigs of spring onion and 1 to 2 chilies to garnish. Finally, you just want to coat the chicken wings with a salt and pepper spice mix. Top it with some sliced spring onion and chilies. Allow it to rest for a few minutes and then serve. I hope you enjoyed this Ninja air fryer salt and pepper chicken wings recipe. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or simply even just follow along. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.